welcome back to my channel, ThinMintOkapi. Today, for this video, I'm going to tell you on how to start your very own YouTube channel. Now, after watching my videos, you might have been thinking, maybe I should make my own YouTube channel, and I definitely encourage you to do that. Making a YouTube channel is an amazing way to share your ideas to the world. So, there's certain steps to make a YouTube channel. You can't just start it like that. So now for our steps. Step number 1, make a new Gmail account. Now, to make your own Gmail account, you just need to go into Gmail and click create an account. Then, what you do is go to youtube.com and log in using your new Gmail account. Then, you have to record what your first video is going to be about. Make sure you might have a book to write down all your ideas you might have for a YouTube channel. Then, after you take one idea from your book, you start filming on that. After you filmed and got everything ready, you should edit your video. Some video editing places you can use is iMovies, Filmora 9, and Panzoid.com. Those are very good editing sources. I've used iMovie so far, and I've never tried the other two, but you guys should try out everything and experiment. Then, after you finished your video, if you got any information from a certain place, make sure you say, I got this information from this place. Then, after you make your video, you should download it as an MP4, which is a video, and then going back into YouTube, click Create on the top. Then, say Upload Video, and you'll come to the screen. Click in the middle of the screen where it'll show an arrow pointing upwards, choose the file, and then it will upload. After it uploads, don't publish it yet. Before, make a thumbnail. A thumbnail is just a regular picture that'll show when you see the video on YouTube. Then, after you make your thumbnail, download it and do the verification process to make sure you can add your very own thumbnails. After you add your thumbnail, then you click something, then you click more options while you scroll down and make tags. Tags are something as if when you type in the tags you put in, then your video will come up. Make sure you put in tags that are associated with your video. Then you click next and click next again. And make sure your channel is made for kids. Then you can upload your video. Also, make sure the name of your channel is associated with your channel, or what the content is going to be in your channel. And make sure your content is good, otherwise people might not watch. And also, don't worry about the subscribers. Do your YouTube channel for fun and to share your ideas with the world. You don't want to be driven by your subscriptions, because then that'll make you feel stressed at some points, happy at some points, and you don't want that. You just want to stay happy with whatever you have. So good luck on making your channel, and I hope to see you later. Bye! Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also tell other people about my channel if you think that they'll like my content, and tell them to subscribe too.